He's got an amazing confidence where he just feels like he can do absolutely anything he wants. He's so good at balancing. And after my third attempt, he did it. We got Otto back in 2014, and we've loved him ever since. My parents taught Otto how to sit down, and I thought to myself, I wanted to teach him one of my own tricks. So one day I was in my back garden and I grabbed a toy and I was placing that on his head, and I had a treat in my hand ready. And he eventually realised that he needed to balance the thing on his head. People thought it was absolutely hilarious. Since then, I've been balancing for just over 3 years. He's a very happy boy, a very adventurous dog. He likes running around. He always just likes sleeping next to us, having a cuddle. Your dog will always want to please you. So now he knows that when I grab the camera and a toy, he looks at me and he automatically sits like this, and he knows exactly what's going to happen. And then once it's done, I pet him, say he's a good boy, and then just give him a little treat. And then he goes back to his normal day-to-day routine. Recently, I started to do this trick where I've got this linen cloth and I put it on his head, and then I've also got an item. I pull the cloth and the orange just stays on the dog's head. It's all about the practice, really. Just be patient with your dog and just always love your dog. We absolutely adore him. He will literally get all the treats he wants.
Watch in the next video.
He couldn't walk in a straight line, and if he started to run, he would fall over. Phoenix has cerebellar hyperplasia. He started to learn how to deal with his different way of moving, and he started to, what I would say, prance.